Now let's get across crypto markets. We saw Bitcoin fall below 100,000 US dollars this week into a bear market. Joining me now is Joe Xu, the CEO and founder of the Crypto Consulting Institute. So Joe, this was the lowest point for Bitcoin in 4 months. What caused the fall?
Oh, well, I just want to point one thing out that you said. You said that we've fallen into a bear market, and I would actually challenge that. I don't think that we're currently in a bear market. I think that we've had a retest to a key level, which is 100K, and we are currently sitting on that and finding support there. So at this current time, the market is still in a positive uptrend, and that's seen over a multi-month/year time horizon, where we've been uptrending since 15K to now over 100K. So as long as that stays intact and that we don't lose the key 100K level and start potentially trending lower, this week is a telltale sign. So just before I get into the question that you asked, but the 50 moving average on the weekly is one thing that we're watching very closely. If that level is violated and we get a close below, if we get a close below the key uptrend level, which is around that 100K, and then coming into the monthly close, if we close below the monthly 10 EMA, then that will be signs that we are potentially seeing a deeper retracement and maybe in a bear market. But at this stage, I think it's all tied to the liquidity. If there is a tightening or an easing, which is something that we're watching very closely because it seems quite neutral at the minute, but if we continue with interest rate cuts and potentially there's money printing or money going into the balance sheets, etc., and an expansion, then we can quite easily see an extension of this cycle and great performance into the early start of next year. So I think the next few months are not going to be easy by any chance. What led to the fall? It's a number of things. So we certainly had a huge leverage liquidation event that triggered a massive cascade of $19 billion. And that impacted a number of things from investor confidence. There's also the 4-year cycle that we've been through previously, 2017 top, 2021 top, and now into the 2025 top. So I think people are psychologically playing what has been before. There is a large offload from longer term holders, 155 days or greater that they've held Bitcoin. And we have seen since June 21, the 21st of June 2025, that is, over 1 million Bitcoin being offloaded. What is incredible is the price has only dropped 20% over that period. And if we didn't have the more sophisticated participants outside of the retail investors, the ETF buyers, the family offices, the businesses that are required for their balance sheet, we would have been back down at 50K by now probably. So the dynamics of the market has shifted greatly, and we're going through one of the biggest transferences of more retail participants that have held for long periods of time and are realizing profit to newer market participants that want to acquire this for decade investments for their balance sheets or via their family office through ETFs, etc. So it's a fascinating time in crypto, and I'm really grateful to be here and guiding people through this time.